Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to make a really quick video because something happened to me just now and I thought I would share it with you guys. So I was in the shops a while ago and with the baby. So normally when I come to this is my second time out shopping with the baby because I don't have a choice, right? I have to buy his necessities. And today I was in the shop and the baby started crying. I know he was hungry, but I went to the washroom first because I wanted to change him and feed him, but it was busy. So I said, okay, let me go in the shop and try to pick up a few things before he wakes up. So I'm pushing him. He started crying. I mean, crying to the point everybody's looking. I'm getting nervous. I'm at the cashier at this point. And you know, I decided to share this because I was always of the belief that German and Swiss people are a little bit cold and they're not helpful and whatever. And today showed me a different side of them. And I think it depends on your situation, you'll see different side of people. And this is why we cannot generalize. We cannot generalize and say German people are mean or German people are cold or Jamaican people are this or bad or whatever. We should not generalize, and this taught me that today. So while I wasn't really panicking, but I was kind of, you know, he's crying and the cashier asked me how old is the baby and I told her, and it just hit me like, I wish I didn't have to come in the shop with my baby at this age, but I have to because I don't have a choice. And she cashed and then she waited for me. There are people in the line. This shop is a very busy shop. It's DM, so you get all the necessities there, and there are people in the line, and you know, they're looking sympathetically, and I'm just like, oh my god. And then the cashier suggests, just pick him up, and I picked him up, and then like everybody was like, oh, he's so tiny, and I started to bawl. The eye water run down my eyes. I started cry. I could not control it. I know it's hormonal because now I'm sitting in the car and I'm thinking, what? Why me did a ball? Me don't know why me did a ball. And I like some I felt embarrassed or something. I was looking at the baby and I was thinking, oh my god, he's so small, he's so tiny, and I have to bring him out here. And I just got emotional. I started to cry, and then I don't think these two ladies saw that I was crying, but they stopped and they said, do you want us to help you to pack the bag? And I said, thanks. And they put my stuff in the bag, and then they asked, where do you want us to bring it? And I told them it's okay. Now they realized I was crying. No, I water run down. Oh my god. And you know, it's just the kindness of people, and yeah. So just in short, do not generalize when it comes on to people. Yes, people have ways in general, like, you know, there are certain characteristics you can use to identify a person from a land or country, but in general, I'm telling myself this and sharing it with you, it is better not to generalize. Yeah, so there are nice people in Germany and Switzerland, contrary to many beliefs. And I experienced two lovely ladies. I were a bunch of people today because they were all so warm and nice, you know, and understanding of my situation. All right, guys. I just fed him, so he's quiet now. And I'm going to change his diaper and we're going to go back in the shop because we have more stuff to do. Life of a mother living abroad. Yeah, it's not easy. All right, bye guys, bye.